This is HUAWEI MatePad SE, and in this short and simple video I would like to find out what is the maximum camera zoom on this device. So as you can see, I've already launched the default camera app and I'm currently at photo mode. So let's start zooming. Let me actually show you some object for reference. And I'll zoom until I cannot no more. Okay, so as you can see, the farthest I can zoom into objects is 6-fold, so 6x is the highest camera zoom value on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.